Hello friends, and welcome back to Easy Solutions. Is your washing machine stopping mid-cycle? Not starting at all? Or is the timer knob just stuck in one place? Chances are, the problem is with your washing machine's timer. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to repair a washing machine timer, step by step. After watching this, you might be able to fix it yourself at home without having to call a technician. So, let's get right into it. First things first. Safety. Before you even think about opening up the washing machine, make sure you unplug the power cord from the wall socket. This is crucial to prevent any risk of electric shock. Once it's unplugged, you'll need to remove the top control panel. Look for the screws holding it in place and take them out. Gently lift the panel, and right behind the timer knob, you'll find the timer switch itself. This little device is the brain that controls all the washing, rinsing, and spinning cycles. Now, let's start with the simplest check, the timer knob. Sometimes, the issue is just that the knob has become loose or damaged, preventing it from turning the timer shaft properly. Pull the knob off and inspect it for any cracks or breaks. If it looks damaged, simply replacing this small part could solve your entire problem. If the knob is okay, the next step is to inspect the timer's connections. Look closely at all the wires attached to the timer. A loose or even a burnt wire can easily stop the timer from functioning. If you spot a wire that's come loose, just reconnect it securely. Next, we'll check the timer motor. Inside the timer, there's a tiny motor and a gear system that slowly turns to advance the wash cycle. If this motor gets stuck or burns out, the timer won't move. You can use a multimeter to check for continuity across the timer terminals. If your multimeter shows no continuity, it's a strong sign that the timer needs to be replaced. But before you rush to buy a new one, let's try one more thing. Over time, dust and moisture can build up on the timer's internal contacts, causing them to fail. You can try spraying a small amount of electrical contact cleaner directly into the timer switch. After spraying, turn the knob back and forth a few times to help the cleaner spread and do its job. This simple cleaning can often bring a timer back to life. After you've checked and fixed everything, it's time to put it all back together. Reinstall the control panel and tighten the screws. Now, plug the washing machine back into the power outlet. Start a wash cycle and watch the timer. Is it moving normally now? If the timer still isn't working after all these steps, the entire unit is likely faulty and will need to be replaced. However, in many cases, the real culprit is something simple like a loose wire, a bit of dust, or a broken knob. Fixing these small issues yourself can save you a lot of money on a technician call. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Solutions for more great repair tips and home appliance solutions. See you in the next video.